Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, we made our way all the way back up to the top of this channel that I have here. But for me, the more important thing is the Fibonacci retracement that I have on this move down right here. We are definitely closing well above the 78%. And normally when you close above or below the 78% of any impulsive move, it will end up taking out the 100%. So whether it pulls back from here or not, I guess we'll have to wait and find out. It probably will make a pullback. But I think at this point, it is going to go up and it is going to give us that break of structure. And that breaker structure is likely going to tell us on the daily time frame that this alternative count that I've been talking about forever, which is an A, B, and then up for a wave C, is probably what's going to happen over the next several weeks. You know, this would be 5 waves up for A, this would be 1, 2, 3 down for B, and then up for C, and then end up making the bigger push down for the bigger wave C because I still think this is an A, this is a B, and then eventually it is going to go down for a big wave C. So I would definitely be focused on logs on sort of time phase. It probably is going to try to pull back because we are at the top of the channel, so it probably will try to pull back, but I think it's going to break out to the top side when it's ready and confirm that the higher time frame is in a uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.